Hello everyone, today let's learn about calendar chapter 2. In the first video we have discussed about calendar introduction. So those who did not watch that video, I have given link in the description, please watch it. In the first video we have seen three important points, that is in the first one, ordinary year has 365 days which can also be represented as 52 weeks plus one odd day. In the leap year we have 366 days which can also be represented as 52 weeks plus 2 odd days. Okay, second point is each and every odd day represents its respective weekday. That is, 0 represents Sunday, 1 represents Monday, 2 is Tuesday, 3 is Wednesday, 4 is Thursday, 5 is Friday and 6 is Saturday. And finally the third point is in 100 years we have 5 odd days, in 200 years we have 3 odd days, in 300 years we have 1 odd day, and finally in 400 years we have 0 odd day. From this last 400 years we have also concluded that for every century year which is multiple of 4 has 0 odd days. Apart from these 3 points, we have also seen that when the year is not century year and if we want to find whether the year is leap year or not, then we have to divide year with 4. Okay. Second one, if the year is century year and if we want to find whether the year is leap year or not, then we have to divide century year with 400. Third one, if there are days and if we want to find the odd days, then we have to divide days with 7. Now let's learn fourth important point, that is day of the week. In a year we have 12 months. In January we have 31 days. Now if we want to find the number of odd days in it, then we have to divide days with 7. Then we get 3 odd days. Next, Feb. If it is ordinary year, we have 28 days. If it is 28 days, then we have 0 odd day. If it is leap year, then we have 29 days. And if it is 29 days, then we have 1 odd day. For March. In March, we have 31 days and the number of odd days is 3. For April, we have 30 days and the number of odd days is 2. And similarly, it repeats for each and every month. Now, let's see few problems on this concept. Okay, find day for March 13, 1990. This 1990 can also be written as 1600 plus 300. Okay, directly you can also write 1900, but to make our calculation more easy, I'm writing in this way. Plus, till now we have finished 1900 years. Now we are left with still 90 more years. In 90th year, we have only till March, right? So till 89 we have full months. Plus in 90th year we have January full month, plus Feb full month, plus in March we have only 13 days. Okay, now 1600 years, right? Now what did we see here? All the multiples of 4 in century year have 0 odd days, right? So this is multiple of 4. Now 1600 we have 0 odd days. Okay, for 300 years we have seen that we have only 1 odd day, plus 1. Plus in 89 years we have to check how many leap years are there. So to check the number of leap years in 89, we have to divide it with 4. Okay, now 2s are 8, 2s are 8 and we are left with 1. So here we have 22 leap years. Okay, so in 89 we have 22 leap years. Plus out of 89, if 22 are leap years, then remaining are the ordinary years, right? So remaining are 67 ordinary years. Plus in January we have 31 days. So how many odd days are there? We have seen just now, right? So in January we have 3 odd days. Plus in Feb month, see, concentrate here. If we want to get the Feb month odd days, first we have to check whether the given year is leap year or not. If the year is not leap year, then in February we have 0 odd days. If it is leap year, then February we have only 1 odd day. To check if this is leap year or not, we have to divide it with 4, right? We have to divide this 1990 with 4. But by seeing only we can say that this is not a multiple of 4, so hence this is not a leap year. So this is not a leap year, then in February we have only 0 odd days plus 13 as it is. Now 0 plus 1 plus. In 22 leap years, what did I say? For leap year, we have 2 odd days, right? So 22 into 2 plus 67 into, if it is an ordinary year, we have 1 odd day, right? Into 1 plus 3 plus 0 plus 30. Now 1 plus 44 plus 67 plus 60. Now if you add all this, you will get 128. Okay. Now you have total 128 days. Now to check how many odd days are there in this 128 days, you have to divide this 128 with 7. Then you will get number of odd days. Okay. So 1s are 7. 5 left. 8. So 8s are 56. Again 2 left. Okay. Now this 128 days can also be written as 18 weeks. 18 weeks plus 2 odd days. Okay. Now if it is 2 odd days, what's the day? It's Tuesday. So therefore March 13th, 1990 is Tuesday. Okay. Now let's see another example. What day is Jan 12th, 1947? Now this 1947 can also be written as 1600 plus 300. Okay. 1900 finished plus still we are pending with 47 years. In this 47 years, total we have 46 years. In 46 years, we have all months, right? So 46 years plus in 47 we have only January month and that too 12 days. Okay, so 12. Now we have to write number of odd days. So in 1600, what did we discuss? All the century years, which is multiple of 4 having 0 odd day, right? So 1600 we have 0 odd day plus in 300 we have 1 odd day plus in this 46 years, first you have to find out the number of leap years. Okay, so in this 46 years, if you want to find the number of leap years, you have to divide it with 4. Then if you divide it with 4, you will get 11 leap years plus remaining are the ordinary years. So out of 46 years, if 11 are leap years, then 35 are the remaining ordinary years plus 12 days. Now 1 plus 11. In this leap year, we have 2 odd days, right? So into 2 plus 35 into, in ordinary years, we have 1 odd day. So into 1 plus 12 days. Now 11 2s are 22 plus 35 plus 12. Now if you add them, you will get 70 days. Okay. Now if you want to find the number of odd days in these given days, you have to divide it with 7. Okay. Okay. Now if you divide it, you will get 10 weeks plus 0 odd days, right? If it is 0 odd day, then it is Sunday. Therefore January 12th in 1947 is Sunday. What day is 8th September 1844? Now this 1844 can also be written as 1600 plus 200. Okay, 1800 finished. Still we are pending with 44 years. Okay, in this 44 years you have total 43 years. Okay, now in 44th year you have only till September. Therefore you have to write months: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, and in September you have only 8 days. Okay, 8. Now in 1600 you have 0 odd days, right? So 0 plus in 200 you have 3 odd days plus 3 plus in this 44 years you have to check the number of leap years. Now to check the number of leap years you have to divide it with 4. Now if you divide this 44 with 4, then you will get 10 leap years and remaining are the ordinary years, right? So 33 ordinary years plus in January you have 3 odd days. In February To decide Feb value, first you have to check the given year. If the given year is leap year, then in February you have one odd day. If it is not leap year, then in February you have 0 odd days. So to check if this is leap year or not, you have to divide the value with 4, right? Now if you divide this 4, this is divisible by 4. Therefore in February you have one odd day. Plus in March you have 3, April 2, May 3, June 2, July 3, August 3, and in September you have 8 days. Okay. Now 0 plus 3 plus 10. Now in leap years you have 2 plus 33 into, in ordinary years you have one odd day plus. Now if you add all this, you will get 28 days, right? Now 3 plus 20 plus 33 plus 28. Now if you add all this, you will get 84 days. Okay. Now to get the number of odd days, you have to divide this with 7. Then you will get 12 weeks plus 0 odd days. Now if it is 0 odd day, then it is Sunday. Therefore 8 September 1844 is Sunday. What day is 5th August 1632? Now this 1632 can also be written as 1600. So 1600 years finished. Now we are pending with 32. Okay. So total we have 31 years. Plus in 32nd year we have only till August, right? So January, February, March, April, May, June, July, plus in August only 5 days. 5. Okay. Now in 1600 you have 0 odd days. Plus in 31 years, first you have to check the number of leap years. Okay. To check the number of leap years in this 31, you have to divide it with 4. Now if you divide it with 4, then you will get 7 leap years. Because 7 4s are 28, right? Plus remaining are the ordinary years, right? So you have 24 ordinary years. Okay. Plus in January you have 3 odd days. Now Feb value. First you have to check whether this is leap year or not. This is definitely a leap year. Okay. Now if it is leap year, then in February you will have 1 odd day. Plus March 3 odd days. April 2, May 3, June 2, July 3 and 5. Okay. Now 0 plus 7 into, in this leap years you have 2 odd days, right? So 2 plus 24 into, in ordinary years you have 1 odd day. So 1 plus, now if you add all these, you will get 32. 7 2s are 14 plus 24 plus 32. Now you will have total 60 days. Now if you divide this days with 7, you will get the number of odd days, right? Therefore you will get 8 weeks plus 4 odd days. Okay. Now if you have 4 odd days, then it is Thursday. Therefore 5th August 1632 is Thursday. Now let's see second model questions. On what date of April 2001 did Friday fall? Okay, what did they give? April 2001, right? Now you have to find all the dates that come under Friday in April 2001. So for that, first what you have to consider? You have to consider this like 1st April 2001. Okay, now this 2001 can be written as 1600 plus 400, 2000 finished. Plus in this 2001 year, you have only till April, right? So January, February, March, and in April you have only till 1st. Okay, 1st. Now as we have seen previously, 1600 odd days are 0 plus 400 odd days are 0 plus in January you have 3 odd days, plus in February, first you have to check whether the given year is leap year or not. So this is not a leap year, therefore you have 0 odd days, plus March 3 odd days, plus 1. Now if you add all this, you get 7 days. Okay. Now to get the number of odd days, you have to divide this 7 days with 7. Okay. Then you will get 1 week plus 0 odd days. Right. Now this 0 odd day is nothing but Sunday. Okay. Therefore 1st April 2001 is Sunday. Okay. Now 2nd is Monday, 3rd is Tuesday, 4th is Wednesday, 5th is Thursday, and 6th is Friday. Now the first Friday in April was on 6th. Okay, 6th. Now you have to add 7 to this number, obtained number, so that you will get other numbers. 6 plus 7, 13, plus 7, 20, plus 7, 27. Okay. Now these are the days that comes under Friday in April 2001. On what dates of March 1764 did Monday fall? Okay. Now this March 1764 can also be written as 1st March 1764. Okay. Now this 1764 can be written as 1600 plus 100, 1700 years, plus in this 64 years you can write 63 years, plus in 64th year you have only till March. So January, February plus 1. Okay. Now in the 1600 years you have 0 odd days, plus for 100 years you have 5 odd days, plus for the 63 years you have to check the number of leap years. So you have 15 leap years, plus remaining are 48 ordinary years. Okay. Plus in January you have 3 odd days, plus in February, so this is a leap year, therefore in February you have 1 odd day, plus 1. Okay. Now 5 plus 15 into 2, right? Because leap year you have 2 odd days, plus 48 into 1 plus 5. Okay. 5 plus 30 plus 48 plus 5. So total is 88 days. Okay. Now this 88 days can also be written as 12 weeks plus 4 odd days. Okay. This 4 odd days is nothing but Thursday. Therefore 1st March is Thursday, 2nd is Friday, 3rd is Saturday, 4th is Sunday, and 5th is Monday. Okay. Therefore in March 1764 the first Monday was on 5th. Now if you add 7 to this, you will get 5 plus 7 12 plus 7 19 plus 7 26. So these are the days that comes under Monday in March 1764. Now let's see third model problems here. If June 10, 2009 is Wednesday, find June 10, 2011. Okay. Now let's see concept here. See, if you observe here, the given months are same, given dates are same. The only difference is year, right? See, now June 10th, 2009 is Wednesday. Okay. Now, if given years are not leap years, then you can immediately write June 10th, 2010 as Thursday. Okay. Next, June 10th, 2011 is Friday. Okay. Therefore, June 10, 2011 is Friday. Now let's see another example. If Jan 12, 2010 is Tuesday, find Jan 12, 2013. Okay. Now let's see here. Jan 12, 2010 is Tuesday. Okay, this is given information. Now, Jan 12th, 2011. This is not leap year, right? So immediately we can write next day. Next, Jan 12th, 2012. This is leap year, right? As this is leap year, the extra day gets added to Feb. Okay? But we are still in January, so there would be no effect. So we can directly write Thursday. Next, Jan 12, 2013. Actually, it should be Friday, right? As per the concept. But as extra day got added to the month of February, so the Friday gets skipped. Okay? And here comes Saturday. Okay? Therefore, Jan 12, 2013 is Saturday. If March 1st, 2010 is Monday, find March 1st, 2012. Okay? Now, what did they give? March 1st, 2010 is Monday. Okay? Now, March 1st, 2011. This is not a leap year, so immediately we can write it as Tuesday. Now, March 1st, 2012. Okay, this is leap year. So if it is leap year, the extra day gets added to the month of Feb. No, but we are in the month of March, so the extra day got added by now. Okay. Now, actually the next day should be Wednesday, right? But as extra day got added to the month of February, so this Wednesday gets skipped and here comes Thursday. Okay. Therefore, March 1st, 2012 is Thursday. April 19, 2017 is Wednesday. Then what is August 15, 2017? If you see here, months are different, dates are different, but years are same. Okay. Now how to solve these types of problem? Now if you see, in the month of April, we have 30 days, right? Already we are in 19th. Now how many days pending to 30? 11 days pending, right? Next, in the month of May, we have 31 days. And in the month of June, we have 30 days. Month of July, we have 31 days. And in the month of August, already we are in 15th, right? Now, if you add all these days, you will get 118 days. Okay. Now, after you get these days, you have to divide these days with 7. Okay. Now, 1s are 7, remainder is 4, and then 8, 6 are 42, and remainder is 6. Okay. Now, here you got 6 as remainder. Now, we call it as 6 days. Okay. Now, we have 6 days, right? So, we can write it like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, right? Okay. April 19th is Wednesday. Now, our remainder is 6, right? Now, immediately from Wednesday, our first day will be Thursday. Okay. Next day would be Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and 6th day would be Tuesday. Okay. Therefore, August 15, 2017 is Tuesday. Okay. Now, let's say we got 0 as remainder. Okay. Let's say we got 0 as remainder. Then we have 0 days, right? Now, if it is Wednesday, then our next day would also be Wednesday here. April 1st, 2010 is Thursday. Then what is May 25th, 2011? Now, if you see here, all are different, months are different, dates are different, and years are different. How to solve this type of problems? Now, what did they give? April 1st, 2010 is Thursday. Okay. Now, if year is not leap year, then immediately we can write April 1st, 2011 as Friday. Right? Next, we got April 1st, 2011 value. But we want May 25th, 2011 value. Now if you see here, months are different, dates are different, but year is same. This is same like previous example which we have discussed. Now how to solve this? See, in the month of April we have 30 days. We are in already 1st. So still pending with 29 days plus. In the month of May till 25th only. Right? Now, if you add this, you will get 54 days. Now, you have to divide this days with 7. Okay. Now, 7s are 49 and remainder is 5. Now, you can write this days as 5. Okay. Now, you know that April 1st, 2011 is Friday. Then, immediately next day would be Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Therefore, May 25th, 2011 is Wednesday. Now let's see the last example in calendar. Today is Friday, then after 100 days, what? Okay. Now what did they ask you for 100 days, right? Now you have to divide this 100 with 7. Now 1s are 7. Pending with 3 and 0, 4s are 28 and you got remainder as 2, right? So, if this is Friday, you have to do plus 2, that is Saturday, Sunday, okay? Then after 100 days, your day is Sunday. That's it guys. So, if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.